If I'm gonna be in it, hold on.
Zeke here, day one of Arnold Split. I'm going to be doing Arnold Split for the next 4 weeks. Alright, so I'm doing chest and back today. I'm going to be doing chest and back twice this week, shoulders and arms twice this week, and I'm going to be doing 2 leg days. So this is a 6-day split, and I'm excited to see what happens. Doing incline barbell bench. I'm going to do from 6 to 10 reps. My left shoulder is not great, so I don't really push heavy on this. Then I'm going to superset out with some pull-ups. All right, I'm going to also do 10 to 12 reps on the pull-ups as well. So I'm doing barbell bent over row, and I'm supersetting that with some decline barbell chest press. So I'm doing 10 to 12 reps on each exercise. Shirt to home, as you guys can see. I'm doing dumbbell A press, and then I'm going to superset that way with lat pull down. So I'm doing the mag kind of grip, the mag grip lat pull down. So I'm going to be doing 10 to 12 on each exercise. It's a superset. Let's get it. You know,
I'm telling Joey.
It's always like your face more than my face, though. Always pick you guys' face over my face. I'll be like, hey, me.
If I'm gonna be in it, hold on.
Yeah, you gotta.
Yeah, let me get a good angle.
You gotta get it right. Good morning, CJ. How you doing, brother?
How you doing?
Good to see you, brother. Yes, sir. You're just always here. You're always here. That's why you're in my video, bro. You're always here.
I've noticed ones where he's in it, you get like 10 times the amount of likes.
I know. Me sure I'm on focus. I think I'm on focus now. It was a good workout, actually. I don't feel too many pains in my elbows on my back as I normally feel after my back workout, so that was interesting. Even though the movement are kind of similar for chest and back, I don't feel too overworked. But this is just the first day. I will see how I feel after my second session on Saturday. So you can go, sorry. So I'm just letting someone pass through my back. So that's going to be the focus for the week. That's what I'm going to try out. I'm going to check out. Hopefully this helped me to have some new gains or some new shredding. I definitely want something new to kind of help me, kind of keep me out of my plateau for my workout. I've kind of maintained almost the same amount of weight for about maybe 2 to 3 months now. So I definitely want to try something new to push me out of that. And I don't want to do too much cardio, because sometimes when I do cardio, I lose my muscle mass. So I'm trying to figure out what the next thing is for me to try. So that's why I'm doing Arnold Split. All right, so I'm gonna tell you guys my feedback, how it is at the end of this month. I'm just trying it for this month of November, so we'll see what happens, man. If you watched the video up to this point, please subscribe for more. I appreciate you guys. You have no idea how much this means to me. If you want anything that you want me to talk more about, fitness related or what I'm doing, leave a comment under this video, and I will try my best to create a content similar to that, or make sure I answer your questions. All right, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Let's get it. Too easy. Yeah.